Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up a natural screen color mode in Samsung Galaxy A55. So right now, by default, we have our color scheme as a vivid one. If you want to change it, or if you want to use a natural one, we need to go to settings. Again, step by step, settings. Then we need to go to display, and here you have our screen mode. As you can see, now we have vivid mode enabled. We can of course customize our vivid mode if we want to. We can also change color balance or vividness of our colors. But if you want to use natural option with no options, default, it's right here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.